Welcome to Bluicity. Did you know that even in North America, 40% of food that is grown or produced goes to waste? That increases food insecurity and consumes huge amounts of land and water while generating tons of methane gas. Our purpose at Bluicity is to reduce global food and pharmaceutical waste in logistics chains. We do that profitably from each chain member individually, with benefits for all, amplified when information is shared live, from farm to fork, factory to pharmacy. With Bluicity, low-cost Bluetooth tags are permanently affixed to the reusable pallets, bins, or totes that perishable food or pharma products are shipped in. As products make their way through the logistics chain, Bluicity monitors the environment and builds a cumulative take on the condition of the product. Using a model for the remainder of the journey, Bluicity notifies chain participants in advantage of spoilage and suggests preventative action. Come join us as a team member, as a customer.